Here is a beginner-level cybersecurity manager quiz that covers endpoint security and device management, cloud security, and security awareness and training. Let's go! Question 1. What is the main purpose of endpoint security? A. To monitor network traffic. B. To protect individual devices from cyber threats. C. To improve internet speed. And D. To track user activity. Answer: to protect individual devices from cyber threats. Question 2. Which security solution is commonly used for endpoint protection? A. Antivirus software. B. Firewall. C. Router. And D. VPN. Answer: antivirus software. Question 3. What is an example of an endpoint device? A. Server. B. Cloud storage system. C. Laptop. And D. Firewall. Answer: laptop. Question 4. Why is mobile device management (MDM) important? A. It prevents users from using mobile devices. B. It helps secure and manage company-owned and BYOD devices. C. It slows down device performance. And D. It removes all security restrictions from mobile devices. Answer: it helps secure and manage company-owned and BYOD devices. Question 5. What is the function of an endpoint detection and response EDR system? A. To scan for network vulnerabilities. B. To replace all firewalls in a network. C. To detect, investigate, and respond to cyber threats on endpoint devices. And D. To enable guest Wi-Fi access. Answer: to detect, investigate, and respond to cyber threats on endpoint devices. Question 6. What is the primary concern of cloud security? A. Enhancing internet speed. B. Eliminating the need for physical data centers. C. Reducing the cost of cloud services. And D. Protecting data stored in cloud environments from cyber threats. Answer: protecting data stored in cloud environments from cyber threats. Question 7. Which security measure ensures that only authorized users can access cloud applications? A. Multi-factor authentication, MFA. B. Open access policy. C. Unencrypted data storage. And D. Default passwords. Answer: multi-factor authentication, MFA. Question 8. What is the function of a cloud access security broker, CASB? A. To improve internet connection. B. To monitor and enforce security policies for cloud applications. C. To replace cloud service providers. And D. To provide free cloud storage. Answer: to monitor and enforce security policies for cloud applications. Question 9. Which type of cloud service model provides the highest level of user control over security settings? A. Software as a service, SaaS. B. Platform as a service, PaaS. C. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. And D. Everything as a service, SaaS. Answer: infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Question 10. What is a common risk associated with cloud storage? A. Increased physical security threats. B. Unauthorized data access and leakage. C. Decreased data accessibility. And D. The inability to use cloud applications remotely. Answer: unauthorized data access and leakage. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. What is the main goal of security awareness training? A. To educate employees on cybersecurity threats and best practices. B. To restrict internet usage at work. C. To eliminate the need for firewalls. And D. To replace antivirus software. Answer: to educate employees on cybersecurity threats and best practices. Question 12. What is an example of social engineering in cybersecurity? A. Encrypting data before storing it. B. Tricking an employee into sharing login credentials. C. Using a VPN for secure browsing. And D. Installing antivirus software. Answer: tricking an employee into sharing login credentials. Question 13. Which of the following is an effective way to prevent phishing attacks? A. Ignoring all emails. B. Clicking on links in suspicious emails. C. Verifying email sender details before responding. And D. Sharing passwords via email. Answer: verifying email sender details before responding. Question 14. Why should employees use unique passwords for different accounts? A. To increase password complexity unnecessarily. B. To prevent attackers from accessing multiple accounts if one password is compromised. C. To make logging in more difficult. And D. To eliminate the need for password managers. Answer: to prevent attackers from accessing multiple accounts if one password is compromised. Question 15. What should an employee do if they receive a suspicious email requesting personal information? A. Reply with the requested details. B. Click on any links to verify the sender. C. Report the email to the IT security team. And D. Forward the email to all co-workers. Answer: report the email to the IT security team. Question 16. What is the best way to ensure a strong password? A. Using at least 8 characters with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols. B. Using the same password for all accounts. C. Writing it down on a sticky note. And D. Using only simple words for easy recall. Answer: using at least 8 characters with a mix of uppercase, lowercase, numbers and symbols. Question 17. What is the role of a Security Operations Center, SOC? A. To develop business strategies. B. To monitor and respond to security threats in real time. C. To remove malware from infected devices. And D. To handle software updates. Answer: to monitor and respond to security threats in real time. Question 18. Which of the following is a security best practice when working remotely? A. Using public Wi-Fi without a VPN. B. Avoiding software updates. C. Locking your screen when away from your device. And D. Disabling multi-factor authentication. Answer: locking your screen when away from your device. Question 19. Why is it important to regularly update software and applications? A. To enhance system aesthetics. B. To fix security vulnerabilities and bugs. C. To reduce system performance. And D. To delete unnecessary data. Answer: to fix security vulnerabilities and bugs. Question 20. What is the function of a virtual private network, VPN? A. To store files in the cloud. B. To block websites. C. To increase internet speed. And D. To provide a secure and encrypted connection over the internet. Answer: to provide a secure and encrypted connection over the internet. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.